Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall.
It's very disturbing. It's the past, yes, but I don't know why somebody would choose now to send this video out to raise any disturbance between us. I find that this very disrespectful for somebody to be trying to garnish our relationship right now at the time. I would like kindly for y'all to start posting this video. It's not none of y'all business. Look at both of us. It got me disturbed. It got me both of us disturbed. It's not nice. Please stop posting this video around. It's the past. We put it behind our backs, and we would like to see it in the future. Please. Alright? That's all I'm begging y'all. It's none of y'all business. Couples fight. Some fight normal, some fight aggressive. Understand? And it's really not your business to be posting a video around like this. I don't know if it's feeding some of y'all that y'all are eating after it, but it's not good. It's not nice. You understand? And I would like y'all to stop posting it, please. I just stop again. Press right.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Seriousskilla. Now, the video that I just showed, alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Seriousskilla. Now, the video that I just showed you a while ago shows a two person that is said to be the persons that were in a video that is circulating on social media. And this video that is circulating on social media shows of a male and a female that was in somewhat of a altercation, right? And some people call it a fight. You see me? Now, that video shows of a female keep repeatedly asking the male for her money, and it shows of the two persons wrestling in that video. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, this video that I just show you now is said to be of the two persons, and you know, it would seem as if the person is trying to ask for persons to stop posting this video on social media. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, I would like to say that I only hope that everything is really and truly genuine okay between the two persons. It would be nice if we could hear actually from the female herself, right, which is involved in this whole video that is circulating in social media. However, we get somewhat of an explanation, and I guess that will have to do for now. Alright? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you don't know me, Dancehall. Me there to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I go on. Yes, what I say. And you can let me know what you think about the video that was circulating on social media, as well as you can let me know what you think about what the male had just said in this video that I just showed you a while ago. Alright? So until the next time, my name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?